Hello friends, I am Naginder. Once again I am back, and there is a ninth lecture of this playlist, and today we will discuss about the closing response. So without any delay we just start. Okay, so the today topic will be closing response. So basically this is the definition I just got from the official websites, but the main things in the simple word we can say that the closing response is like a welcome, not a welcome, is just opposite of the it is just opposite of the initial response. Yeah, so this is a closing response is like a thankful message. Like suppose you just communicate with some client, yeah, with some users. So at the end of the conversation you just provide some a thankful message to user. So that's like a similar way. Okay, so now we just move on our lab part so that we can easily understand what is the closing response. Okay, so the main thing is I'm using the same example we just discussed as a previous video. Okay, so firstly I just show you without when we don't use the closing response, so on that time what will be happen. So like we just provide some utterances, and behalf of the utterances we just get some response. So like this time we just provide some cricket. Okay, like 23. Okay, like Delhi. Yeah, so you can see in my screen that after the conversation end I just got some like message like intent sport is fulfilled. So like it's like something is awkward response which I just received from the chatbot. Okay, so when I use to the closing response, so on that time we can convert this awkward message into a proper message. A you can say that you can say that a proper response. Okay, so that's why I need to use the closing response, because we want to create more readable, a more look and feel, a more you can say attractive response. So that's why I need to use the closing response. Okay, so closing response, so you can see in my screen that the from the top we just move on the slot, then after that confirmation, then fulfillment. Yeah, and at the end of the screen, yeah, end of the a, you can see there is a box of the closing response, but right now it is a disable. So firstly I need to active this toggle button. So when I click on this toggle button, so on the time the color is changed from gray to blue. Okay, and after that we need to provide some a valuable response message. Okay, so I just click on this button, and in this box you can see in my screen I need to provide some a thankful message. So I just copy this from my notepad. I want to write, so I just write some thanks for your assistant. Okay, and this is emoji I just got from the, you can got from any of with the chatbot. Okay, and after that I just click on the save intent, and after the save I need to create a build, because when we want to show our effect, so firstly we need to click on build, and after that we can test. Okay, so build is under process. Okay, and after the build, successful build, you can see what is the exact use of the closing response, because I show you without closing response we get a awkward response from the chatbot side, yeah, from the LEC side. So we easily convert this response in a useful, yeah, attractive response. That's why I need to use the closing response. And I also show you that firstly I just click on this active button, and after that I just provide some message in this message box along with some emoji. Okay, so that's, so right now I need to test, so click on test button. Okay, I just refresh this. Okay, and the same things happen again, will be do like sport. Okay, and like sport like football. Okay, and then he just asked me the yeah, age. So like I just provide some 25, and after that he just ask the like ground. I just provide some Delhi. Perfect, this is a perfect working. So users, you can easily see that this time it's provides some a proper response message. A proper is a, like you can say it's a proper closing message. Yeah, welcome message is a, not a welcome message, thankful message. So on the time the attraction will be more powerful, and the user is get a proper closing response with a thankful message. So that's the main reason to use the closing response in a Lex chatbot. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. So the today video is finished. Okay, and yeah, I request to the user that please subscribe my channel, guys, because if you given a more subscribe, so it's giving me more encourage. Okay, thank you guys, thank you, bye bye, meet in the upcoming video.